you go, Dad. This is what I do. Kirsty can show you.
Coming over. There you go back along over that row again.
This is a tricky bit. I've got to try and get this big pack right in the corner. It takes a bit of mucking around. There's a pack of logs coming down in front there. I've got to push it in that corner because the crane can't reach. It's very 30 tonnes, so come down, Scotty. Come down, mate. Bring it down, down. Take a little bit of weight, mate. I'll straighten it up. That'll work all right. Down he comes, that releases. See that plunger there? That releases. And I've got to hold the logs down and they go everywhere when he pulls those wires out. See? So he's pulling them out now. And I just got to level them out. Around by the train a bit there. Watch not to damage that ladder. Now I straighten them up. So we get a good stone. And then just give them a bit of a push. Locks in there. Anyway, that's it. There you go, Dad. Catch you later.